Kiriak Konstantinovich Kostandi, October 3, 1852, died October 31, 1921. He was a prominent Ukrainian painter and an art scholar, a member of the Russian realist artistic movement Peredvizhniki. He also authored several Impressionist paintings. Most of Kostandi's life and work is connected with the city of Odessa, now in Ukraine, in the southwest of the Russian Empire, where he lived most of his life. His paintings are displayed in the museums of Odessa, Kyiv, Moscow, and St. Petersburg.